Okay, so here's question number 4. You're typically, in this case, going to be using the tables of integrals. Okay, so this is number 4. Question number 4. Okay, we're asked to solve or evaluate integral of 1 over the square root of x squared plus 25. Okay, I'm sorry. We don't have a root here. This is going to be 3 over 2, and this is our dx. Okay, so our solution in this case, as I said before, we're going to be able to use, remember, you kind of pay attention to your form. Just kind of pay attention to the form. That's one of the key advices I can possibly give dealing with integrals. Is just kind of pay attention to the form. So in this case, this form here, if you look at your integration table, okay, in particular number 76, okay, in Appendix A, and that's on page 766. Okay, so here we're going to use this integral. We're going to use the integral that involves a squared plus u squared, right? Where our a happens to be greater than 0. Okay, so in this case, we are going to say let our u equals x, let our du equals dx, and then let our a equals 5. Okay, so we can use this particular um, this particular form, right? Because, or this particular type of integral, because our a in this case is actually greater than 0. Our a is 5 in this case. Okay, so with that being said, always keep in mind that you want to be able to create um, an integral substitution in a way whereby everything checks out. And what I mean by that is, if I have the integral 1 over, let's say I'm now going to, if my x happens to be u, that's going to be u squared, right? Now, plus my a is now going to be 5 squared, okay? And that's all 3 to the 2. But now my dx happens to now be du, okay? So just kind of keep that in mind. Everything has to be accounted for. So by transforming our integral to look like this, we can now use what's been given to us in the back of the table. And that tells us that if we have, for instance, the integral of du over a squared plus u squared raised to the power of 3 over 2, that gives us u divided by a squared and the square root of a squared plus u squared, okay, plus c. So we can now go and substitute, right? And now say that the integral of 1 over x squared plus 225 equals, what is our u? Our u happens to be x. What is our a? Our a is 25. And the square root of our a happens to, we can just switch it over to go back. So that's going to be x squared, right? Plus our a is 25. Okay? Plus c. And you can rewrite this if you want to and just say 1 over 25 into x over the square root of x squared plus 25 plus c. Okay? I hope this helps. Kindly let me know. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you.